Let's face it, traditional banks can feel like a chore. Hidden fees, endless paperwork, and hold music that could rival elevator music in its soul-crushing monotony. No wonder online banks are becoming increasingly popular. Ally Bank, in particular, has been making waves with its high-yield savings accounts and user-friendly interface. But before you dive headfirst and ditch your old brick-and-mortar branch, there's one crucial question: how long does it take Ally to approve an account? Because let's be honest, nobody wants their financial future stuck in application purgatory. Fear not, fellow finance warriors. Today's video will be your one-stop shop for all things Ally account approval. We'll crack open the Ally vault, metaphorically speaking, of course, and reveal the secrets behind their approval process, timelines, and even some tips to potentially expedite things on your end. Now, before we get down to the nitty-gritty, a quick shout-out to our sponsor, insert sponsor name. They, like Ally, are all about making your financial life easier. Check them out in the description below for more info. Alright, back to Ally and the burning question: approval speed. According to Ally's website, opening an account can be a breeze, taking a mere 5 minutes or less. Sounds impressive, right? Well, that applies to the actual application process itself. The approval stage, however, is a different beast altogether. Here's the thing: Ally mentions a time frame of 5 to 7 business days for account approval. But is that a hard and fast rule? Buckle up, because the answer, like most things in finance, is a bit more nuanced. Several factors can influence how long your Ally account approval takes. Let's dissect the biggest ones. Your background. This includes your credit history, employment status, and any red flags Ally might uncover during their verification process. A spotless credit score and steady income will undoubtedly smoothen the path. Account type. While basic savings accounts might get the green light faster, investment accounts with more complex features could involve a bit more scrutiny, potentially extending the wait. Verification process. This is where things can get interesting. Ally, like most banks, needs to verify your identity and the source of your initial deposit. Sometimes, microdeposits might be used for verification, which can add a couple of extra days. So, what can you do to potentially speed things up? Here are some battle-tested tips. Gather your documents beforehand. Having your social security number, ID proof, and proof of address readily available can save Ally valuable verification time. Double-check your application. Typos and inconsistencies can trigger delays. Take a moment to review your application before hitting submit. Consider funding with an existing Ally account. If you already have an Ally account, funding your new one from there can streamline the verification process. Now, a word of caution: while these tips might help expedite things, there's no guaranteed shortcut. Complex financial situations or incomplete applications can still lead to longer wait times. The key takeaway? Be patient, grasshopper. If your application surpasses the 7-day mark, don't panic. However, if it stretches into weeks, then reaching out to Ally's customer service might be a good idea. Remember, clear communication is key in any financial relationship. That brings us to the end of this Ally account approval odyssey. We hope this video empowered you to navigate the process with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.